resilient traders, have you looked up into your chart to see what is going on in the market this morning? How and what is the direction of the BTC? Actually, when you look up your chart this morning, you can see that looking at the one-day chart, obviously, you are saying that BTC is neutral to bearish bias right now. Is moving from a neutral position to a bearish position. And looking at it properly, you can see that it's still under pressure. BTC is still under pressure, stalling at key resistance after a minor bounce. Now, the point is, what key levels are we going to watch out today so that we can make a very good decision? Remember, those who took a very nice position yesterday were able to make a substantial profit based on the trade. But now, what key levels are we going to watch out before we can take a decisive direction about BTC and avoid losing our money, protecting our capital? Now, let's look at it from this angle. The support levels we are looking at, support zones we are looking at BTC this morning, one of them is 111,850. Is a very key support zone, still holding a strong intraday support zone. If you're looking at your one-day chart, so you watch out for that zone. Then the second zone you want to look at is 111,400. That is a danger zone. If broken, that resistance, if it is broken, then BTC is going to go higher, lower. Sorry, it's going to go lower. Now, looking at 114,000 on a resistance zone now, we've mentioned two key support zones, 111,850 still holding and 111,400. These are key support zones. Now, if you look at the resistance zone we have on the BTC, good morning. Good morning. If you look at the resistance zones that we are going to watch out for, we are looking at 114,200 today's intraday ceiling. If 114,200 is broken, then we want to watch out the next target, which is 115,358. This is a critical resistance zone that must flip for any bullish recovery. So when you are making your move, you want to watch out this zone. If it crosses 111,400, that danger zone, that means the BTC is going further down. And if BTC could reclaim 115,358, that means we're going to have a bullish recovery. Now, looking at the technical aspect of it, you can see that RSI is 36.3, 37, ranging within 37 to 38. And this is a weak momentum. This very technical zone shows that BTC is still on a bearish zone. There is no bullish recovery yet. So volume is fading. No strong buyer support yet, despite the bounce. So the trend right now is below both 5, 10-day MAs. So we want to watch out and make sure that we do not trade against the trend. So bearish rejection forming today looks like a lower high setup. If you look at it from your other lower timeline, you can see the formations. So now what is our current trade setup insight so that we can know where we are moving on? Now, we have what we call short bias, still very valid, unless 115,358 is broken calmly or cleanly. You can go and draw your horizontal line there, 115,358. If that figure is broken, then we are moving higher. That is bullish recovery. Then when we look at we want to watch out for rejection as well. If the market should break below 114,200, that means it's a trigger. If price fails to break 114,200 and volume drops, expect retest of 111,850. When you put this into consideration, then you'll be able to know your trade direction this morning. This is not yet a reversal. Take note, what we are seeing right now, the bullish candle that existed this morning, is not yet a bullish reversal. Don't just jump into a long position without a confirmation. Please don't jump in without a confirmation. Avoid emotional trade. Focus on structure and confirmation. Remember the trading psychology notes. Always remember the trading psychology notes. Discipline is choosing structure over impulse. Don't act with impulse. Let me trade. The market is moving, but rather try to be disciplined. Look at your structure. What is going on before you dive in? Then when you mark these zones, the support and resistance zones, you wait patiently and allow the trade to meet up with you. Don't chase the trade. Then you can be able to make the market your own. I don't know if anyone has a question. I can see some people coming in on board. Thank you so much for joining the program. I can see Lam J. You're welcome. Appreciate you. If you want to show some love and you like the update, you can tap the screen. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. How are you? Good morning. All right. Mr. Saj. It's like you cannot hear me. Good morning, Mr. Saj. Free coin 10,000. How are you? Good morning. Do you have any question as regards to Bitcoin movement today? Hello, Mr. Saj.
Hello.
Good morning.
Bonjour.
It's good to see you. Are you a trader?
I not speak the English very well.
Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, that means you don't understand English.
I speak
French. Okay, you speak French. But do you understand? You understand what I'm doing on this program? Okay, all right. Okay, I don't understand French either. So maybe we will find a way to communicate with each other. Big Dennis, I really appreciate your joining the program. However, it's a very short program. It's an update on Bitcoin, and this update is to help us trade with discipline so that we can know the levels to which we need to place our movement when it comes to market direction. So if you're a trader in the house, please drop a comment. I can see you. Sadiq, thank you so much for being in the house. Sure girl, it's good that you are joining us. However, if you have any question about what we have discussed so far, feel free to make your comment, or you can drop your comment in the comment section. Best DJ, it's good to have you in the house. Thank you for joining. For the sake of the new ones among us, we are discussing the update on BTC direction this morning. So if you are a trader, drop your comment in the comment section. If you don't understand what we have said so far, drop your comment in the comment section so that I can know how to improve the program for the benefit of the new ones and for the benefit of those who doesn't understand how to trade so far. All right. So please, before we finally go, you can tap on the screen. Just tap on the screen to show some love. Tap on the screen. If you like the program, tap on the screen, show some love. Okay? Old Vibes, thank you for joining. We appreciate you so much. We appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you. So before I finally round it up, I want you to remember once again, if you are a trader, this platform we deal with traders, those who trade Bitcoin and those who trade Forex. If you make money through these trading channels, this program is going to benefit you greatly. If you are interested in trading and making it a side hustle, this program also will prove to be very, very beneficial to you. Therefore, for a recap of what we have discussed today, if you're a trader and you have been trading so far, or you have been following our channel and you have been paying attention to the trade, we want you to know that resistance this morning that you need to watch out for is 114,200. Watch that resistance closely. If markets should break that resistance, then we want to expect a bullish move, a bullish movement. Then we also want to look at support level. And what support level are we looking at here? We're looking at 130,522 support level. You understand? And that area is also an area you can take profit from. It's a profit area. So watch out for those zones and make sure that if market should break 113,522, 112,582, then know that market is going to step below and retest 111,000 that was previously retested. So having this in mind should keep you up and running. You don't want to jump into the trade. Make sure that you apply your trading psychology and trade with insight. Use your mind. Remember, resilient traders don't just give up, and they don't trade with emotion or impulse. Resilient traders trade with structure. Watch the volume, let the chart speak, and then let the market come to you. Do not jump into the market and do not chase the market. You have no reason to blow your account. Have the trading psychology to protect your account. And that is why this program exists, to give you the boost, the vibe to help you protect your account. As a trader, if you have the trading psychology discipline, you can always make a living. Do not trade with emotion. We are living testimonies to that. And if you want further information, if you need further explanation, just make sure that you contact us or DM us. Put your whatever you want to say in the comment section. We will always consult with you. I want to thank everyone who joined this program this morning. I want you to stay blessed. Do not give up. Trade smartly and trade safely. Remember, this is Global Rise Network, and the voice behind it is Isaac. And I want you all to trust the fact that as long as this program continues and you want to be a trader, you will always come victorious. Thank you so much, and see you again. This is a very short video to help us keep up with the update we have on BTC. If you really appreciate the videos and the program is helping you, don't fail to show your love anytime you see me on the program. Thanks for joining. Happy moment. See you again.